Hi, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. It is a day in my life vlog, a video. Today's day is going to be a little busy, so I decided to vlog this one. I hope you like the video and the day. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, it is 10:30 a.m. right now and I woke up at 9 a.m. I took a shower, I washed my hair, and now I am going to shoot the video that has to go live today. That is what day is it? Saturday. Yeah, it is Saturday. Actually I shot the video yesterday, but there was some problem and the part of the video got deleted. I don't know, it didn't got shot, I lost the data, I don't know what happened, but I'll have to shoot that part again. So I will just get ready and I'll start shooting the video, and after that I have to go somewhere. I'll tell you where. Yeah, so I got ready before shooting the video and I also shot the video. It is 11:11 right now. Make a wish. Okay, so yeah, I am done with everything now. I am super hungry, but I'm going somewhere. I'll show you where. So I'm not having anything probably, but I'm like really hungry. मेरे पेट में से आवाज आ रही है, इतनी ज़्यादा hungry. Yeah, but I have to leave my house in like 20 minutes and I'll reach that place in another 15 minutes. So 30-35 minutes I'll get something to eat. Yes, so I changed because मैंने वो पुराने वाले कपड़े पहने हुए थे because I had to shoot the video. Now I've changed into new clothes and I'm going. This is my outfit of the day. I'll meet you there. Okay, so this is gobi ki roti. As I said, I'll have something. This is it. Half roti thi, and I've had thoda sa. मुझे याद आया कि I had to shoot it as well. So yeah. So we are at this pretty place for a bloggers meet. Yeah, and all of these are my stupid friends. Stupid friends, hi bolo.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
You too?
Yes.
You too? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anushka.
Hey guys, what's up? Mr. Cheers here. कुछ है?
Oh, pretty.
कुछ है?
अच्छा, मेरा हाथ अभी एक्सेसरी की तरह यूज हो रहा है because I have nail paint.
अच्छा उस दिन ना कोई
इससे निकालो एक बार. Hi again. So I am back home and I've changed in my very comfortable night suit. So I went to a bloggers meet. I am a food blogger and I went to a bloggers meet to a place called Kuch Bhi Chalega, which was in Janakpuri. The momos there are so good. Everything was very good, but I had to leave early because I have other plans. Now I just have to edit my video thodi si and then I'll show you where I am heading. Hi, it is 5:30 p.m. and I am done with editing. It is just uploading on my YouTube. The video will be live at 7:30 p.m. So now I'm just going to get ready because I have to go for a party. It's my friend's birthday. I'll just get ready and I'm not filming the get ready with me part because I've already done a lot of them on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box below in case you want to see how I get ready for parties. So I'll be back. I'll change my clothes, I'll do some makeup, do some hair as well. I'm not very sure about it, but I think I'll curl my hair. And yeah, that's it. I will be back super soon. I am all ready. So this is my OOTD. This is perfume Kanisham. Ignore it please. I'm wearing transparent heels and this baby pink dress. And yeah, that's my makeup. I know this blush looks बहुत ज़्यादा, but it'll eventually settle down. And I'm also carrying a shrug अगर मुझे ठंड लगी तो, वैसे तो नहीं लगेगी. So yeah, I'm all ready. Now I'll just take some pictures and I'll leave. We just did this. Birthday girl. We heels to pehne पीछे जाओ, पीछे जाओ.
पैसे उड़ाना क्या कर रही है? Happy birthday!
खराब क्यों कर रही है? तमीज़ है देखो.
ये क्या हालत करी है तुमने बेशर्मो.
ये तो यूट्यूब बनाने वाली थी तो ऐसे
वो तो मिल गई थी 50 रैंडम चीजें. मेरे को भी याद आ गई.
क्या? Is what 12:30 p.m. right now and I am not that sleepy because I slept कल रात को बहुत जल्दी पार्टी के बीच में. I don't do that generally but I don't know why I was very sleepy yesterday, so I slept and I am quite fresh right now. I'll do something, I don't know क्या, but I will do something. I'll not sleep, I'll try not to sleep वरना फिर मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आएगी. Yeah, that was it for the day, for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the next video. Stay safe. Bye.